Now let us quickly look at the Markovnikov addition expected product, whether it is the major product or not in case of HBr addition to 3-methyl 1-butene. When HBr is added to this, as per Markovnikov, in the first step, of course, you are supposed to get this as a stable carbocation. If it is not going according to Markovnikov rule, you get a relatively less stable carbocation like this. And if this is rapidly attacked by Br minus, you know what you get. If this is going to be rapidly attacked by Br, you know what is going to be the product. But however, this particular cation undergoes a certain change. Let me write this cation once again here. This cation undergoes a hydride shift so that you get a still stable tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation is stabilized by inductive effect and 8 hyperconjugation forms. So it readily forms, and this is further attacked by Br minus to give you CH3, CH3Br, CH2, CH3 as major product. This is the main product, that is 2-methyl-2-bromobutane. This is an unexpected product due to the formation of hydride shift, reasons we have already cited. Now if I take a molecule like this, can you name it, sir? Can you name it? It is 3-phenyl-propene. When it is added with HBr, again as per Markovnikov rule, you expect this to be the major carbocation you get, because this is secondary. The other carbocation will be negligibly small. This we don't bother about this. This is the major carbocation you get in the first step. Now this fellow is not going to be added with Br minus. If it is directly going to be added, you are expected to get this as the product. But it is not going to be the main product. Again, this carbocation, let us write very clearly. This carbocation, if you write clearly, where should we write? We will write here, yes. This carbocation, now this hydrogen, let us write hydrogen like this. This hydrogen locked to the carbon that is linked to benzene ring, if it shifts there, this hydride ion shift will result in the formation of this is one more hydrogen, of course. This is going to result in a very stable benzyl carbocation. This benzyl carbocation has positive charge, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. It is in conjugation with benzene ring. It is greatly stabilized due to resonance. And now this will be rapidly attacked by Br minus to give you this as the product. So this is the product that is formed more than 99%. So the unexpected products are observed during Markovnikov addition due to the shift of hydride groups or methyl groups or even sometimes phenyl groups. Are we clear on that?